Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript comments. Now the question is, what is the usage of comment? JavaScript comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and make it more readable. And also it can be used to prevent execution when testing alternate codes. Using comment you can define for what purpose you use this JavaScript code. In JavaScript we have total two types of comment. Single line comment and multiple line comment. At first, let me show you how can we use single line comment. Here you can see we type a code inside the script tag document.write hello world. After that we use single line comment using double slash. To create single line comment, at first you need to type double slash, then you can type your text. You can type any text here. And if you run this code, it's going to print only hello world, not the text after double slash. But if I use double slash before the document object, then it's comment out whole the line. And if you run this code, then it's not going to print anything. Now let's talk about multi-line comment. In our previous example, we use single line comment. And if we use single line comment, then it's only effective in one line. But if we use multi-line comment, then it's effective in multi-line. In JavaScript, our multi-line comments start with /* and end with */. So let's start the practical and see how it's work. So here you can see side by side I open my Visual Studio Code Editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already create index.html file. And as you can see in our script tag, we have total two document object. At first I want to comment out our first document object, hello world. For that I'm going to use single line comment, double slash. If I save this file, here you can see the result. As you can see in our document, now it started with I am add1. And if I remove the comments and type some text, your comment, and then save this file, as you can see, now it's provide error. If I show you my browser console, here you can see the error, syntax error, because we cannot type random text in JavaScript. For that we need to use comments, and if you want to comment out this text, you need to use double slash. If I save this file, you can see the result. Now this text not going to affect to our code, and it also perfectly execute our document.write object. And here you can describe for what purpose you type this code. And if you want to use multiple line of comment, let me show you. For that you need to start with /*, and you need to end the multi-line comment with */*. If I save this file, now you can see it can't execute our document objects. So this is the way that you can use single line comment and multi-line comment. I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.